Welcome to Vitiated How To. It's 9 o'clock at night and I did something really fucking stupid. I took and cut my hose to my dog's trough. I hit it with a lawnmower, so I had to cut the piece off. And of course, that's real fucking smart on a Sunday night at 9 o'clock. Or actually, I did it about 8 o'clock. Still Sunday. Ain't nothing open. So, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Here's what you're going to need. 9-in-1 or 5/16, whichever you got. 2 hose clamps. Yeah, I know these are pretty big, but they thread all the way through to where I can get around that. Let it there. 1/2-inch piece of CPVC. Not PVC, CPVC. Here's the difference. The white one is 1/2-inch PVC. The literal one, which is yellow for hot water lines, is CPVC. And yes, I have both because you never know, being a homeowner, what you're going to need. So luckily, I had this damn thing laying around that had a piece attached to it. So, on another note, to cut the CPVC and the water hose, I use these. These are called PVC cutters. These are dinosaurs. These are probably, I think, 30 fucking years old. They were gave to me. That's the part number. You can look it up and see how old the damn thing is. But you can use anything that'll cut PVC, the CPVC. You either need to use a Sawzall or a pair of PVC cutters. Because anything else, you're going to mess it up. So, we'll get back to finish cutting this. Here we go. I'm going to show you how to do this. You're going to take this piece of CPVC and you're going to attach it to that hose. And I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to stick it into the hose. So I'm going to pause this and I'm going to show you. As you can tell, I got it in. I got at least a 1/2 inch right there so you can put the hose clamp on. 1 inch is preferably, that's why I cut it so long. What you're going to have to do is, if the hose is old like this, you're going to have to use something lubricated. You can use Dawn dish soap. You can use your spit. Whatever. I use my spit because I'm not walking back in the fucking house to get it. And you put that on there. And you're going to have to do this. Take this here and push it against something like this. And you're going to have to jiggle it till you first get it in. Then you're going to have to twist this. As you're going, twist and push. But you're going to need to hold this at the same time. See? So that's how you do that. And I'm going to finish. I'm going to put this on, then I'm going to show you the other one. I'm going to pause it. Okay, I got it in, but I come across the problem. This hose clamp right here wasn't small enough. So what I did was I took 2 pieces of the damaged hose. Come on. As you can see right there, and I overlapped them with the regular piece of the other one, this here. All you got to do is take and put this like so. Oh, this is going to be easier to show you than fucking around with this. I'll just untighten this so you can get the point. Okay. Alright. See that? There's 2 pieces. I wrapped them just like that. And yeah, I cut the fuck out of my finger cutting the first piece in half. You put them together like that. then it makes this hose clamp big enough if you don't have a hose clamp big enough. If you do, use the hose clamp that's big enough, that's small enough for it. Of course, I got a whole bag of them that I bought from fucking, the hell is that place called? I can't remember the name of the damn place now. Harbor Freight. I got a whole bag of them floating around the house somewhere, and nobody knows where they're at. So I'm improvising. Just come off my pond. My pond filter that I don't use anymore. Come on. There we go. Right there. And it'll hold, trust me, this will work. I'll show you. I'm going to pause it so I can finish it. As you can tell, that's what the finished product looks like. And this time I got smart, I dug me a little ditch. What should have been done the first time it was put in, but you know how kids are. Since you don't believe that's working, we'll walk on over here. I cut grass today, so my dog's trough is full of grass and all kinds of other shit. So, there you go. Working just like it should. She likes to go swimming, so a regular water bowl don't work. So I got her this. And I can't pick up buckets of water, so this is the best way I can do it. I'll come in a minute with a shovel when I turn this off, and I'll start scooping some more of this shit out. And that's how you fix a hose that's fucked up, instead of going by a hose man from Home Depot or something like that. Always keep you some hose clamps and some CPVC, and you can mend the damn hose together all you want. Thanks for stopping by Vitiated's How To. And once again, hope you enjoyed the honky hookup. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video.